Hello there! Let's learn about the new material characterization feature in Inspire PolyFoam. This new feature helps you use real-world data to help make your simulations more accurate. Before you begin, you will need to gather data from an actual pouring cup test in a lab. An important note, you'll need to format your height curve and temperature curve data in either a CSV file or TXT file to use it in the material characterization feature. When you've gathered and formatted all your data, click the Pouring Cup tool. Start with a material from the Materials database, or with a custom material from your My Materials database. Next, you'll need to configure the virtual pouring cup to match the one used in the actual lab test. Set the shape you want in the upper left corner of the micro dialog. We used the cone shape in the lab. Now we need to set the height and radii. Our actual pouring cup had a height of 260 mm, a bottom radius of 83 mm and a top radius of 88 mm, so we'll use those settings here. Next we need to tell PolyFoam how much prefill material we used. We can use either a percentage of the pouring cup's volume or mass. We'll use 200 grams of material today. We're ready to open the material characterization window. We'll check the material characterization box and click Configure. Notice that PolyFoam added the word copy to the material's name. We can rename the new material anything we like, but in any case, this will be a new material in My Materials when we save it. When you do this process, you'll want to adjust the settings in the polyol, isocyanate, water, OH value, and NCO fields to match the amounts and proportions used in your lab test. We used the default values in the lab. Now we'll import the height curve and temperature curve data. Remember that these data need to be in a TXT or CSV file. When all the data is entered, we can check the Quick Run checkbox, close the Material Characterization window and click the Run button in the Pouring Cup micro dialog. Sometimes the simulation can take a minute or two, so we'll skip right to the results. Now we have a new material in our My Materials menu, and we can use it as the material for any model we choose. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your Altair products.